in this, we're going to discuss about the OCM model. Okay. In this yesterday, in this particular OCM model, we discussed about that application layer yesterday. In application layer, we discussed about that internet layer, right? So internet layer contains some protocols like FTP, HTTP, okay, like SM protocol, okay, some other protocols. So this FTP is going to be using for file transferring, and HTTP is going to be using for web services, all those things, and H1 is going to be using for emails, all those things. And lastly, we having a virtual terminals. For virtual terminals, what we are going to be using? We are going to be using a telnet. This is what we discussed yesterday. Now, coming to the next layer, presentation layer. What exactly known as the presentation layer? What it contains? So, presentation layer it contains like that. You have to write a program and you have to send some message. So, I am sending a message. Welcome. Okay. I want to send a message saying that welcome. Is it possible to me send a message straight away? Welcome? No. I have to convert this welcome into the like some code, binary codes. Yes or no? Okay. So the presentation layer is going to be done that it will be going to be converting into the machine learning language to low level language. Okay. And then what it does, it will be going to be compressing that. What it does, it will be going to be compressing in that, and then it is not only going to be compressing the files, it will be encryption also be doing that. Why we need to do an encryption? For a security point of view. What is the purpose here? Security point of view. Okay. So here in this particular presentation layer, what we are doing fundamentally in a presentation layer, we want to send a message that whatever message or a data, whatever that have to be converted into the like a binary zeros and ones, all those things. Machine learning, high level language to machine level language. Once we done that, you know that you are going to send a mail like every day you want to send something like that in WhatsApp, right? So actually I want to send one video, and the video size is like a 5 MB, right? When I am sending this particular WhatsApp video, so what I am doing, instead of sending 5 MB, I am sending 2 MB file, compressing file. Okay? Who is going to do in the presentation layer? I do. మన వాట్సాప్లో మీరు పంపుతారు కదా, యాక్చువల్లీ వీడియో సైజు 100 MB ఉంటుంది, వాట్సాప్లో పంపించే ఫైల్ 3 MB ఉంటుంది. ఎవరు చేస్తున్నారు కంప్రెసింగ్? ఎవరు చేస్తున్నారు? ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లేయర్ పెట్టి డూయింగ్ దట్. వై ఇట్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్? వై? బికాస్ యూ వాంట్ టు సెండ్ ద డేటా అనగా నువ్వు ఆ లేయర్లో పంపించాలంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 5 MB ఉంది, బాగానే ఉంది. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్ 100 MB ఫైల్ అంటే, if I want to send a 100 MB file without compressing, it will take more time, more waste of time, and more networking time, and more resources also, right? So instead of sending 100 MB file, what we are doing, we are compressing this 100 MB file into something like that 10 MB or 20 MB, something like that. We are compressing the particular file into the some particular site, and we are sending them. In which we are doing? We are doing in a presentation layer. Now, only compressing this file is okay? No. We have to encrypt and encrypt this file ఏం చేయాలి మళ్ళీ? చేయాలి కదా. ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ ఎందుకు చేస్తాం? Security purpose. Means no one can able to see that. ఎందుకంటే we know that this particular message, even though in a machine learning language, it will be traveling in particular some layer. Someone have to catch those things. Like you having one machine here and you having one machine. So here you having a sending one message. In between that, someone have to catch this one and access the information. Yes sir. Some means the 1, 2 and 3. Some 3 machine will come in and accessing this information. Even though this cannot be, even though they got the message, but that message is encrypted. Even though they try to open it, that can't able to do anything. Okay, so that is the reason in the presentation layer we are going to use it encryption and description. Here, what we are doing? We are doing the three things. One is that converting into the high level language to machine level language. Number two, compressing file to size, actual size to minimizing the size. Why we are compressing that? Because we want to transfer in a more reliable and చాలా fast గా చేయాలి, reliable గా ఉండాలి and data loss అవుతుంది. Okay, and lastly what we are doing encryption and description going to do that. This is about the what the layer? Presentation layer. Okay, then coming to the session layer.